Alright, so I'm here at church in the theater room, and I found Jamey sleeping at work, as usual. And I just thought to myself, what a great opportunity. It's the perfect time to show you guys my JAMAJAM alarm clock video. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna set the camera up here on a tripod. There we go. Almost forgot. I need to try to frame Michael so that he thinks Michael did it. I don't believe it. Jamey, I didn't want to do this to you, but you forced my hand. Commentary? Huh. Michael? Thanks for watching this JAMAJAM alarm clock video. We hope you enjoyed it.
I know we definitely did. But here's the deal. We invite all of you to make your very own JAMAJAM video and share it with us using the hashtag JAMAJAMGBC. We're probably going to show some of those on the morning of JAMAJAM.
That's right. And remember, JAMAJAM is February 8th, right here in the kids' worship room at 10:30.
It's going to be an awesome time. We'd love to see you there.
Why are you wearing a wig?
What do you mean?
You're wearing a wig.
No, this is actually my natural hair. I didn't use my straightener this morning. Believe it.